Welcome back, everyone. Ready to dive into some seriously cool AI stuff.
Absolutely. It's amazing what's happening in AI these days.
No kidding. We've got virtual cells, super accurate weather predictions, even AI that writes like a human.
The future is now, right?
Let's start with these virtual cells. Scientists at Carnegie Mellon are using AI to basically make digital twins of real cells.
It's like science fiction come to life.
Totally. But imagine, no more lab rats, just run tests on these virtual cells.
Exactly. Drug discovery, personalized medicine, this could change everything.
And the way they do it, it's like building a digital blueprint.
Multi-scale, multimodal neural networks. Catchy, right?
Well, the AI pulls data from all these different levels, from molecules to the whole cell.
Like putting together a puzzle, but instead of a picture, you get a working model of a cell.
Wow. Imagine having your own cells virtually recreated. Doctors could see what treatments would work best for you.
That's the dream, right? Personalized medicine at its finest.
So from tiny cells to the whole planet, let's talk GenCast. This AI from Google can predict the weather like nothing we've seen before.
40 years of weather data, that's what they fed this thing.
No wonder it's so accurate. Not just your average forecast either. It predicts hurricanes, floods, the works.
Agriculture, disaster prep, this tech could literally save lives and crops.
And think about cities. GenCast can help us build structures that can stand up to whatever the climate throws at us.
Proactive planning, not just reacting, it's a game changer.
For sure. Okay, from healthcare to the planet, AI is everywhere. Now for something even crazier. OpenAI's Sora Turbo.
This one's wild. Imagine AI that writes stories, translates languages, even holds a conversation like a real person.
Natural language processing, or NLP is what they call it.
Sora Turbo takes NLP to a whole new level.
No more annoying chatbots. This thing actually understands you and helps you solve problems.
Writers can use it to break through writer's block or polish their writing. The possibilities are mind-blowing.
Real-time language translation, imagine that.
No more language barriers, instant communication.
Like Star Trek. But hold on, all this awesome AI, there's got to be a dark side, right? Like, what about these deepfakes?
That's the scary part. Video's so real you can't tell what's true anymore.
Spread misinformation, ruin someone's rep. It's a serious problem.
Luckily, researchers are fighting back. Algorithms that can sniff out those fake videos.
And digital watermarking, like a seal of authenticity on real media.
Think of it as a digital lie detector for videos.
Essential stuff, right?
Yeah.
But it's not just about fighting the bad guys. We got to make sure AI is good for everybody.
AI inclusivity, that's what we need.
Meaning?
AI that's fair, reflects our diverse world, no bias baked into the algorithms.
Right, and this idea of indigenizing AI, really interesting.
Making sure AI respects different cultures, different values, benefits everyone.
So guidelines, regulations, that's where stuff like the EU AI Act comes in.
Sets standards for AI development. Make sure it's used responsibly for the good of all.
These are tricky questions, no easy answers. But hey, that's why we have these conversations, right?
And that's why organizations like at AI for the People are so crucial, promoting ethical AI being a resource for everyone.
They're doing great work. Speaking of which, what are your thoughts on all this? Hit us up in the comments.
Let's keep this conversation going.
This AI stuff, it's moving fast. So much to explore. But for now, we got to take a break.
We'll be back soon to dive deeper into this amazing world of AI.
Stay tuned.
It's wild, right? AI solving problems, but also being super creative.
Yeah, like these AI image generators, DALL-E, Midjourney. You just type in what you want and boom.
AI paints you a masterpiece.
Literally. I saw this exhibit, AI art, and it was incredible. So real, so detailed.
It makes you wonder, who's the artist? The AI or the person telling it what to make?
Right. Is the AI just a tool, like a brush or a pencil? Or is it actually creating art?
Big debate in the art world. Some say it's just a tool. Others think the AI is the artist.
Deep stuff. But even without the philosophy, AI is already changing how we create things.
Think about advertising. AI could make those ads way more personalized, more effective.
Video games, too, creating these massive worlds that feel so real.
Architecture, even. AI could design buildings that are super energy efficient, blend in with nature.
The possibilities are endless.
Yeah.
But let's be real, what about the downsides? Like, could AI take away people's jobs?
A lot of people are worried about that. Automation, robots taking over.
On the other hand, some say AI will create new jobs, help us do things better.
It's a tough one. We need to make sure people have the skills for this new world, right?
Totally. Education, training, that's super important. And, of course, we got to talk ethics again.
As AI gets smarter, we need to be extra careful. Make sure it's used the right way.
At AI for the people, they're all about that, right?
Yeah.
Making sure AI is ethical, transparent.
Big shout out to them. This whole AI conversation, it's got to be open. Everyone needs to be involved.
So what do you think? AI and creativity, the future of work? Let us know in the comments.
Let's keep talking about this stuff. Figure it out together.
Okay, we've covered a lot. Let's take a minute to think about what we've learned.
AI is changing everything from healthcare to art. And it's just getting started.
We've got this amazing power, but we got to use it wisely. Be responsible. Think about everyone.
We need to talk about it, work together, make sure AI is a force for good, not just for a few.
And organizations like at AI for the People, they're showing us how. Connecting people, building a more inclusive AI future.
It's amazing what we can do when we work together, right? Making AI work for all of us.
So we've explored these amazing AI breakthroughs. Virtual cells, weather predictions, AI that writes like us.
Crazy, right? And we're just scratching the surface.
It's mind-blowing. But let's take a step back. What does it all mean for us for the future?
It's clear AI is going to change everything.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But we got to make sure it's for the better, right? For everyone.
No question. Ethical AI, that's the key.
But how do we do that? It feels like this stuff is moving so fast.
It is. But we can all play a part. Stay informed, read up on AI, talk about it.
The more we know, the better we can navigate this new world, right?
Exactly. And don't be afraid to ask questions. If something doesn't feel right, speak up.
Challenge the assumptions, the hype, the fear.
Think for yourself.
Right.
And if you want to do more, support organizations like at AI for the People.
They're fighting the good fight, making sure AI is used ethically.
You can also contact your representatives, tell them how you feel about AI regulations.
Make your voice heard. This is about our future after all.
We all have a role to play in shaping the AI-powered world.
It's a collective effort. So let's keep learning, keep talking, keep pushing for an AI future that benefits everyone.
Because it's not just about the tech. It's about us, our values, our choices, the world we want to create.
Well said. And on that note, we're wrapping up this deep dive into AI.
Thanks for joining us.
If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Keep the AI conversation going.
Stay curious, stay engaged, and let's see what amazing things we can create together.